Hey, Rainbow here. Want to check in. If you haven't been to EICMA, don't go. It's bedlam. It's just loud. It's busy. It is everything. So I have to share this because this was kind of a big deal to me. See this Insta 360 stick, right? This is the basic selfie stick that comes with like the motorcycle setup. Now I bought this just barely over a year ago, and this little top piece right here, okay, it's like a little rubber gasket. Well, I'm in South Florida, it's hot, and mine, from putting it on and off, maybe I put it on too tight, it started to get all messed up and get all loose, and it starts to twist on you. So all I did is I stopped here at EICMA at the booth. I mentioned nothing about a YouTube channel whatsoever. Not that I think that's relevant, because I'm pretty much a nobody here. And I was just telling them the story. I was like, hey, do you have one of these? Or, could I buy them? Is there a part number that I can order them and I can just replace them? Like, what do you want me to do? And they started talking to me about it. And the next thing I know, he said, here, I'm just going to give you a new selfie stick. I'm like, what? I'm like, and I told him, I said, no, I don't want a selfie stick. And he's like, no, I'm going to give you a selfie stick. And I'm like, that's really unnecessary. I just need this. And I looked at him and I said, isn't it cheaper for you to give me this little part here, or tell me where I can order it? And he's like, no, you're our customer and we want to take care of you. So he gave me a selfie stick to replace the one that I have. And all I got to do is replace this little thing. But I thought that was amazing, and I thought that was really good customer service, and that really impressed me a lot, which kind of brings me to the fact that I've been, slowly falling out of love with GoPro for a while, and now, with customer service like this, kind of making it a no-brainer, you know what I mean? So I then told him, I'm like, hey, I actually do have a YouTube channel, just so you're aware. And, I said, I'm going to mention something about the good customer service, because you did this without even knowing that I had a YouTube channel. And I think that, again, speaks volumes. So they're hooking me up with somebody to talk to, and I may be able to review some of their products in the future. Hopefully, we'll see. Just, I'm one of a zillion people out there doing these videos. But the bottom line is Insta 360 really came through, and I was really happy with them. Back to EICMA here, if you're still watching. Wow. It's a very busy place, very overwhelming. I think if you walk through here for 2 full days, you're still not going to have an opportunity to see everything. It's kind of crazy. So if you always wanted to come to EICMA, it's certainly one hell of an experience. My day's not over yet. I got a little while to go yet, but thank you, Insta 360. I really appreciate it. It was great customer service, and I think I'll be back next year for EICMA again, mostly because I love Italy. All right, Rainbow out. Have yourself a great day, folks. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye-bye.